Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Cordless robotic pool cleaner, HDPEAK pool vacuum lasts 110 minutes, auto parking, rechargeable, automatic cordless pool vacuum ideal for above in-ground pools up to 50 feet, color pink. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose HDPEAK Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful cleaning performance. Equipped with powerful dual-drive 40-watt motors for strong suction. And the cordless automatic pool cleaner comes with a bottom brush and dual wider inlets to easily remove tough dirt and debris, leaves, and sand, ensuring you get a sparkling pool. Note: when you receive the product, we recommend that you fully charge it before first use. Cordless and hassle-free. With cord-free and IPX8 waterproof design, the HDPEAK pool vacuum cleaner is free to deep clean, no more messy hoses and no more tangled cords. Simply power your cleaner on with one click and submerge it in your pool and the cleaning process will start automatically. Long runtime and fast charge. Only takes 3.5 hours to fully charge and provides over 110 minutes of cleaning capabilities. The automatic pool vacuum easily cleans up to 1,076 square feet of above in-ground pools to a depth of 6.56 feet or 2 meter. Max slope for pools less 15 degrees, suitable for all linings and shapes, round, rectangular, or oval. Smart navigation technology. The cordless robotic pool cleaner will touch the pool wall and then automatically reverse its cleaning direction. Cordless pool cleaner will automatically stop near the edge of your pool when the battery is low or when a cleaning cycle has been completed. You can easily and conveniently pull your robotic pool cleaner up using the included hook or the floating handle without entering the water, or getting wet. Longer service life. Equipped with newly designed high-quality 5800 mAh battery, the working time of the pool cleaner is 110 minutes, the battery decay rate is slower than ordinary batteries. And the battery life is 1.5 times longer than ordinary batteries, extending the service life of the cordless robot pool cleaner. Easy to handle. Light and quick release design, only 10.6 pounds, the robotic pool cleaner allows anyone to easily pull the cleaner out of the water, simply pop out the filter pan and rinse it off with a garden hose. Easy to operate, ensure you will have a spotless pool. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.